Hello, this is an unboxing video of the Cobrafly P8 smartwatch, which I ordered from China directly from AliExpress. This is the box it came in, the protective bag. I just cut it open. We have there an additional strap I ordered, because I think it looks cool. It is a gray color. And then the watch itself, it is, let's see, it is a Cobrafly P8, but I think it's the same as many other copies of the same thing. What do we have here? We have a watch itself. This is, it's switched on. I don't know why. It's switched on. And this is a 1.4 inch variant with a 1.4 inch display. It looks quite cool actually. I can press it. It vibrates if I press the button. I don't know what it does, but let's see what we have. What else we have in the box? This is a charging adapter. I never seen this before. Let's wind up. This is. It looks like the charger of the watch with a USB cable. Then we have a manual. This is in English and in Chinese. What does it say? Basic parameters, 1.4 inch IPX7. X7 is another standard code, I think. I don't know, because 67 would be a standard code. I don't know. I will have to look it up. Okay, so this is the watch. This was the unboxing. This is all I got. And later, when I've used it, I will make a normal review of it, so be sure to check it out. So, thank you for watching, and until later, until the review. Bye.